When everything seems to go against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. A very pleasant good morning to one and all. The world, as we know, has gone for a toss. We are surrounded by doom and gloom, filled with news of death and ailment. We have not stepped out of our homes for a long time. So, it is extremely important for all of us to stay positive. In view of this, here we are going to present the morning assembly based on the theme positive thinking. Let us start our assembly with the morning prayer. Let us join our hands, close our eyes, and bow our heads and ask for the strength to be positive from the Almighty God by listening to a hymn sung by our music teacher, Mr. Ravi Verma.
God is so good, God is so good, God is so good, is so good to me. God cares for me, God cares for me, God cares for me, He's so good to me. God leads on me, God leads on me, God leads on me, He's so good to me. I shall do His will, I shall do His will, I shall do His will, He's so good to me. I shall trust in Him, I shall trust in Him, I shall trust in Him, He's so good to me. I shall His praise, I shall His praise, I shall His praise, it's so good to me. God is so good, God is so good, God is so good, it's so good to me, it's so good to me, it's so good to me.
We are what we think. Our whole being depends on how positive our thoughts are. It not only refreshes our mind but also gives us a new way of living. Here is Anshika Pawar of class 7B to present today's thought.
Good morning, everyone. Thought for the day is if you are positive, you will see opportunities instead of obstacles. I repeat, if you are positive, you will see opportunities instead of obstacles. Thank you.
To get to know about the current affairs of the world, let's hear today's news from Pooja of class 10.
Good morning everyone. Today's news headlines are India records highest single day spike of 24,000 plus cases and 608 deaths. A study reveals that monthly wage loss from first two lockdowns is 34,000 crores. Efforts to speed up recruitment for vaccine trials clarifies ICMR. 7 years after launch, ISRO's orbiter captures the image of biggest moon. Earthquake of 4.7 magnitude hits Ladakh's Kargil. That's all for the day. Thank you and have a nice day.
If you are a person whose first thoughts about the meaning of something that has happened are negative thoughts, be encouraged by the knowledge that the first step towards a positive attitude and positive thinking is to simply think another thought. Here is Shagun of class 9 to tell us some more tips on how to stay positive.
Good morning, everyone. I am Shagun, and today I am here to share some tips to be happy and positive with you. First, make an effort to find a positive side in everything. Second, always Be grateful. Third, create a positive environment. Fourth, exercise more. Fifth, help others and meditate. Thank you and have a positive day ahead.
Train your mind to see good in everything. Positivity is a choice. The happiness of your life depends on the quality of your thoughts. To present this idea through a beautiful poem, here is Ishika of class 7B.
Good morning. Today, I, Ishika of class 7B, will recite a wonderful poem. The title of my poem is Positive Thinking. Sometimes life is tricky. Sometimes things go wrong. Sometimes you feel out of place or like you don't belong. Sometimes bad things happen. Sometimes you will feel scared. But focus on the positives. Seek them, they will be there. When your brain won't stop worrying and you can't sleep at night, step out of the darkness and look into the light. The awful things won't vanish, but don't let them consume. That just makes you miserable and intensifies the gloom. So focus on your blessings and let them shine through. Don't let the negatives be what defines you. Thank you and have a nice day.
Let all of us take the positivity pledge. I shall no longer allow negative thoughts or feelings to drain me of my energy. Instead, I shall focus on all the good that is in my life. I will think it, feel it, and speak it. By doing so, I will send out vibes of positive energy into the world, and I shall be grateful for all the wonderful things it will attract into my life. Now, let us conclude our morning assembly with this motivational song presented by our music teacher, Mr. Ravi Varma. Thank you.
We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, 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 deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We are not afraid, we are not afraid, we are not afraid today. Oh, 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 deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall walk hand in hand, we shall walk hand in hand, we shall walk hand in hand someday. Oh, 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 deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall live in peace, we shall live in peace, we shall live in peace someday. Oh, 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 deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. The truth will make us free, the truth will make us free, the truth will make us free someday. Oh, 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 deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, 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 deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall overcome someday. We shall overcome someday.